I want to show you how easy it is to update your mailbox with a new sleeve and reusing your old mailbox. This project took me less than 30 minutes and was super easy and gave it a fresh new update that will last for years. Remove the mailbox by taking out the screws on both sides. Set your mailbox aside for painting. You need to cut off the arms that were supporting the mailbox to leave a straight pole. Now you can slide your new post sleeve over the pole. Make sure it goes flush to the ground and is straight facing the street. Add the support arm and be sure that it is at the approved United States Postal Service height of 41 to 45 inches from the ground, not from the curb. Secure the arm to the sleeve and the post inside with the screws included. Spray paint your box. I love using Rust-Oleum Metallics collection. There are many colors to choose from. Reattach your box to the arm and you are done. The last step in your mailbox update is making sure that you have put the house numbers back on your mailbox. In this case, I will be using self-adhesive reflective numbers on both sides of the box. It's really important that the numbers are visible because in an emergency, you want to make sure that EMS, Emergency Medical Services, can find you. So make sure that they are put on both sides of the box. I have to wait a day or two to put these up because the instructions say you have to have dry conditions for 48 hours. So make sure you buy a good solid product that will complement your box with the color and style that you like, and your mailbox update is done. This was easy, this was fast, and it didn't require any digging. So remember, if you have a mailbox post that is firm in the ground, it's solid and secure, but it's a little worn, faded, even splintered, this drop-on sleeve is a great solution to updating the mailbox post. And again, paint the box so you have a beautiful, fresh, updated mailbox. So make sure that you subscribe below for more DIY projects that are easy, doable, and very hip chick friendly.